my name is Chris. If you want to see how to get from this to this, then please keep watching. Hi guys, so I have done a first impression of the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. So that's why I have my base done for today. But I really want to do this like glossy eye, like purple lip for you guys today. So it's something different that I've never done before and I'm so excited to film it for you. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how I create that look. I feel like I look a bit like a ghost, but whatever. I'm just going to use my Born This Way concealer under my eyes, down my nose, and on my chin. I feel like adding concealer over the top of foundation just looks like 1,000 times better. I don't know why, but like, I really feel like it does. Ooh, I love my under eyes right now for some reason. I just like, yeah, I don't know. Good shit. Next, I'm going to set my face using the good old Australis Fresh and Flawless in light beige. I love this as well. If you've never tried it before, I really highly recommend that you do. It's only like literally like $12 from Kmart, Coles, Chemist Warehouse, and it's actually really quite full coverage. So yeah, test this out, guys. I'm going to take this brush that doesn't have a name. My mum bought me these new brushes for Christmas, so they're actually quite fluffy and I don't feel like I'm putting like those MAC kind of really harsh hairs on my face anymore. Like I've just got a nice soft touch when I apply with these brushes. I think it was like Lily brushes or something that you can buy from Hairhouse Warehouse. So yeah, really soft and I'm happy. So thanks, Ma. Tapping off my excess. I'm feeling so masky right now. Like, I actually used to really love full coverage, but this like feeling is like reminds me when I was like 16, 17. And it's not fun anymore, lol. Going to take another brush that came with the brush set. Again, it's really soft and seems pretty good for bronzing. So I'm gonna use it with my Huda Benefit bronzer and bronze up my cheeks. Guys, like one thing that, I know this is pretty bad, but like, you know, I don't know if you guys watch Lauren Curtis, no offense, but like, you know, when she applies really heavy foundations and she's got like 1,000 lines like there, I'm just like always scared that I'm gonna look like that. So I'm just like, I don't wanna like ruin my face with makeup. Like, I don't know how she ended up like that at such a young age, but like, I don't wanna do that. So I'm just like trying not to smile and like, I think I'm definitely gonna probably stay away from really heavy foundations. I feel like because I look like a fucking ghost that I feel like putting a tiny bit of bronzer across here, even though I do have a small forehead. I just feel like it needs some sort of color. If you guys do have like a larger forehead, you can definitely do this as well. Just take your bronzer and just kind of run it along the sides of your forehead. Then I'm going to contour taking my Smashbox Contour Palette Kit with obviously the contour shade. Just to update you guys, at the moment I'm just chilling. I'm on my holidays. I'm about to start uni in like a month. And yeah, I've just been like shopping, hanging out with friends, spending time with my family, just like the usual stuff kind of that you do. Spending money, obviously, God. I found a really cool brush to use for contouring my nose. It's just the e.l.f. C brush. It's kind of straight and dense, so yeah, really like, I feel like it packs on the shade quite good, so that you can really carve out your line. Oh, I think I had leftover product on there. Time for my eyeshadow. This is so simple, guys. Like, if you take any inspiration from this look, I'd probably take it from the eyes, to be honest, just because it's kind of on trend. I'm just gonna put a really nice brown shade across the entire lid, and you guys will see like it actually does make a really nice impact. Just before I do that, I'm going to prime my eyelids using my concealer. I'd suggest literally only using a dot of your eyelid primer, whether it be a concealer or an actual primer for the lids, just because like anything more than that's like your eyelids are gonna go all cakey, just like the face might. So yeah, I'd suggest like literally a dot. So yeah, if you apply a dot, it's just that nice, like thin layer of something that your eyeshadow can stick to. And just setting it down with some face powder. Now going in with my Makeup Geek eyeshadow in the shade Latte. This is like the perfect fair brown color. I'm going to apply this color to my crease and onto my lid. I'm kind of taking it further out towards my eyebrow. I would do that if I were you guys too, just so then you can actually see the shade. From that Lily, I'm pretty sure it's called Lily, so I'm just gonna call it Lily brush set that my mum bought me. I'm going to take this little shade shadow brush and I'm just gonna run that Latte shade under my lash line. That's literally like the whole eyeshadow look. Now I'm going to do my mascara, and obviously for this I'm using my Kiko Milano Fall 2.0 mascara. Love this shit. Like, I tried using another mascara the other day and then I had to use this over the top. I was like, I forgot how much I love this bloody wand. So good. I love how it makes me look like I have like 1,000 eyelashes compared to like one on this eye. Also going to coat my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to apply my Inglot Sparkling Dust in the shade 7 to my cheekbones. I love this. I feel like my highlight always completes my look. Although I really like this look without the mascara, I do want to amp it up a tiny bit today by applying a really natural pair of the Ardell Demi Wispies. I'm going to use this 1000 Hour eyelash glue that you can get from Hair House Warehouse for about, I think, $11 to $13. It's really quite good and it dries clear. So I've waited a little while, about 15 to 30 seconds for my glue to kind of dry down before I stick them on, because when I stick them on they're just going to sit like perfectly and not move. And as you guys can see, there is a huge difference between the falsies and the mascara. I do like it with the mascara, but I've just felt like amping it up a little bit today. Next I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm hating my eyebrows again because I just feel that they're uneven again, and it's so annoying because every time I go I'm like, can you please make them even? And they never do. Like, how much do they want me to pay them? Like $100 to make them even? Like, oh, this is so annoying. So I don't know, I've got to find a new good eyebrow place in Melbourne. So can anyone help me? If you guys live in Melbourne, please leave a comment down below. I'm just going to take my Ka-Brow in the shade 4 to fill in my eyebrows. To keep my brows in place all day, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. I remember Shannon So used to talk about this back in the day, like a few years ago, and obviously purchased it, and it's really good. So I just basically use it so my hairs stick in place. Time for my lip color. I'm going to take this 380 Dark Night Water Loops Moisture Renew lipstick by Rimmel. I've worn this shade before. It's actually really comfortable, but it is so messy to apply. Like, it's a dark shade, so when you do apply like a really creamy, moisturizing, non-liquid lipstick that's dark, be careful. Woo! So excited. I love this color. Going to clean up where I kind of made a mistake on my bottom lip with some concealer and a tiny little brush. Now that my lip shade is on and I'm loving like how moisturizing, like glossy it looks, I'm going to tie in the look with a bit of gloss on my lid, and I'm going to take this All My Gloss by Rimmel and apply a little bit to my lid. Oh yes, I love this glossy look. Oh my god, I love it. I've never actually done a glossy eye on myself before. Oh, that looks so cool. I feel like that amps up the look so much more. Guys, like I thought this gloss, because it's like a lip gloss for your lips, I thought it would be really sticky, but it's not. Like this actually feels really comfortable on the eyes, which is so weird. And it looks awesome. I think I want to add a really light touch of blush, just because like I did it the other day and it kind of gave me a bit of life to my cheeks, so I'm going to do that now. I'm using my NYX blush in the shade Peach. And this is my completed look. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!